Hi guys, and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to use the ECG function on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic. First thing you need to do is rotate your bezel, and when you got to this page, click on Learn More, scroll down, click on While using the app, and click on this button. You need to go to your phone, click on Get Started, scroll down if you want to read this, but I will explain you in a bit. Click on Next, click again on Next, again, Next, and again Next. Now all you have to do is do this again, go to ECG function, click on Record, make sure that the watch is above your wrist, click OK, rest your hand on the table and put your finger on the home button. After it's done, you can scroll down and you can see your average heart rate. Click on Done, and if you want, you can redo the function again. That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next tutorial.